Time for another Bronco video. This right here. Gotta work on that. Got some parts. Let's see, where did I put them parts? Okay, these are patch panels. These are not OEM sheet metal by any means. Reason being I got these is we're gonna do some chopping and hacking to this area here. You can see a super faint line like coming through here. Kind of, you see that now that I did that, and then there's one up there. Goes across there and up through there. And anyway, I got a piece of sheet metal that I made 20 years ago. It's supposed to go in there so that we get full articulation and clearance up against the cab with the twin traction beam there. You can see there's a big triangle cut out of that side. We'll get to that side later because it's needing some tendons. Like I said, 20 years ago we did this. So we're going to do this right. We're going to not do it classic restoration style, because we got some issues in here we have to deal with. But yeah, you can see the ground in a couple spots. That side over there is some old galvanized water tank repair high school stuff. We'll get to that side later. We'll start with this side. It's nice and clean. Get started. I got no batteries, man. Everything needs to be charged. Everything. So I'll get back with you when we get things charged up, and probably be like some music starting right about now, and then maybe a little montage of taking apart the Bronco, get it so we can work on it. There is dust blowing around in here. Okay, safety first. day. SD card ran out. That's what happens. Anyway, I was hacking on the sheet metal here, hacking on the floor. Got most of the floor out of it. Yep, there's the new panels there. They're split. That's right where we're going to be welding there on that seam. They're a 25-year-old panel. And fit in there pretty nice. Kind of looks like the other side. Yeah. And we have to cut all this off to replace that panel. Anyway, that's where we're at. I'm gonna get busy on grinding and moving and doing on that stuff. Let's keep the video short. Hopefully I can get another video out before Ford releases their Bronco. What is up? Yeah, here's how far I got. Dude, did you see that ground clamp? Just whack you guys in the face. Gnarly. We got the rocker fixed. Somewhat good enough for me. Good with that. Got the floorboard trimmed out. Got the old panel in there. And a huge mess. Massively huge mess. I think that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to continue on without you guys, finish up the other side. The driver's side, passenger side's good enough for me. Yeah, I think it looks alright. We'll be fine with it. Did score some seats. Woohoo! Look at that. Nice seats. And some exhaust. There's headers. Scored a pair of those. Got the, it was a Facebook Marketplace. There's the other seat there. So that's perfect. That's awesome. Those will just go right in. It leaves me with things like the other floor over there. Here's this one. Let's see if I can open the door. Let some light in. So yeah, just got to do a little bit of trim and get this guy in. Of course, poke a hole for the bolt there. Those that'll weld in and we'll have a floor on that side. Yay, more Flintstones. Anyway, hope you guys like the madness. I'm going to get back to work. Thanks again for watching these horrible videos. It must be your love for the Bronco that brings you back. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe over here down at the bottom and hit that little ding ding bell. That way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Anyway, see you guys on the next one. Ciao.